you're experiencing a stuck loading screen while trying to play Roblox, follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by testing other websites or applications to see if they load without issues. Step 2. Restart Roblox. Close the Roblox application completely and then reopen it. This can help reset any temporary glitches that may be causing the loading issue. Step 3. Clear browser cache if using a browser. If you're playing Roblox through a web browser, clear the browser cache. Go to your browser settings, find the option to clear browsing data, and select cached images and files. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Sometimes browser extensions can interfere with Roblox. Disable any extensions you have installed, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, and then try loading Roblox again. Step 5. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website for your graphics card and download the latest drivers to improve performance and compatibility with Roblox. If you follow these steps, you should be able to fix the stuck loading screen issue in Roblox. Enjoy your gaming!